heavy duty tape. Very good packaging. So we see that heavy duty reinforced tape. This is the head end facing us. I'm going to go ahead and zip that out of there with my trusty box cutter. As all of you know, this is about all we do anymore is axe unboxings. We don't actually swing the axes on this channel, we just unbox them. Alright. A little bit of facetiousness there. Alright. Look at that. Thick paper. So very thick paper around the head here. Very thick. So there is no wobble. There's no way that this axe can shift inside the box. So here is the axe. I think you guys know what it is by now. USA 25, Year of Our Lord 2025. So we got a rubber sheath, bit over the, a bit cover over the bit, and council tool, and 6-pound flathead with Mary G slot 36C. And then of course the warnings on the handle. Council tool FE6. Another view of that handle. Just feeling of it, you know, I've actually not swung the axe, but watching other people swing it, and from what I can tell, what I can gauge right here, it's got plenty of meat on it. However, it has some flex, which is good. It's about perfect for a factory handle. Alright, so a little better lighting. Look at the alignment of that bit in relation to the handle. And you got to keep in mind, this is a factory built axe, and we can be pretty hard on an axe. There's your alignment. I'm going to go as slow as I can so you can see this. Okay, see that? And that is A-okay. Let me tell you, I can cut flies in half. I can cut match heads with that. That is not a discouragement for me at all. The axeman does his part. This axe will do its part. Let's look at the bevel. I think this is a very comfortable 25. Very comfortable 25. Okay. So again, looking at that alignment there. And if you don't see it, that's okay. You don't understand what I'm talking about, that's okay. And like I said, this axe, with the right axeman, you'll cut match heads and you'll cut flies. You'll line right up, no problem. Looking at the fit and finish on this FE6, it looks very good. There are no bumbles. The micro bevel is very well done. Obviously this is not a polished axe, but it is an excellent piece of kit. Again, let's look at that micro bevel. Okay, and I think that this is much improved over other unboxings that we have seen from the company. The packaging is very much improved. What we see right here with the bit grind with the micro bevel, it is beautiful. I'm going to flip her over. Alright, micro bevel again. Factory grind. Looks really good. Looking at the underside of the axe, the fit, finish. Attention to detail looks good. There are no chips in the finish at all. No drop marks, none of that. No grinder blunders. It looks very good. Here is the pole. Obviously it's not polished. You know, we would like to see that, but that's what we get right there. That's what the pole looks like. And this finally the view from the top of the eye. Again, the fit and finish looks good. No gaps, and it's a flush mount, which everybody notes. How about that hang? Pretty decent hang. Pretty decent. And keep in mind, this is a factory produced axe with a hydraulically seated handle. Wooden wedge and barrel wedge. And now for the handle, the grain orientation. So notice this area right here. This is not a problem for me. Make sure that we're focusing here. Okay, we see that. And right here we see the flip side. Decals are still on it. I don't think there's much need in removing those at this point. We notice this area here. And, you know, keep in mind, this is a factory produced axe. Hickory handle. Looks good. Notice the attention to detail here. Looks very good. And again, I'm very much impressed and pleased with the head finish, and that being most notable as of late production of interest. Very good job on the packaging, Council Axe and Tool. Very good job on the fit and finish.